Today we're diagnosing a car for somebody. We got 2 cars to check out today. We're here doing one. I don't know if it's the Honda or the Chrysler, but we'll see what the guy needs first before looking into it. And then we got a Mercedes to check out afterwards. So let me get back to you. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. Which car is it?
The one in the back.
One in the back? How many miles it have?
2 something.
Alright.
My grandma had the car
Yeah.
since like '09.
Okay.
She said,
They just been driving it.
yeah, it's been driving ever
Does it
since.
start?
I think the battery's dead now.
Okay. Is this like a new battery or no?
Yeah, it's new.
Alright, because it's completely shot. It's at 0.5. If it does crank, I could check the condition of the engine. If it's even worth saving or not.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, so I'd like to figure that out for you, but with a dead battery, I can't really do much. Okay, you got new coils. You put spark plugs in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I shut it off because that's not a good noise you got under there. So getting into this Mercedes here, we have a misfire in cylinder 3. This is where we're here scanning the car. So the guy is telling me that after driving and the car gets up to temperatures, once it starts to misfire at either a red light, at idle, or something. So what we're gonna do here is pretty much take the ignition coil from cylinder 3, transfer it to cylinder 1. So if we do that and the misfire transfers over, that's when we know it's a coil. If it doesn't transfer over, then that's when you know that it's going to be a spark plug. We're pretty much looking over the whole car from coil number 3. So bank 1, bank 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like we need to take this intake box off. Try to get you guys as close as possible. So again, ignition coil 1, 2, 3, which is back there. So ignition coil 1. I'm gonna mark that. Name this 1. We're gonna put this in 3. Do not over torque those right here. You're tightening it into plastic and you can strip the plastic out. Alright, so put this tube back on. Put this wire back on. Use something that evaporates. Don't use grease. Grease will stay there forever. Okay. Let's grab your little lucky ducky mirror. We're gonna look at the back pad on this. So looking at the suspension here, sway bar, head bushing is shot. So definitely gonna need a new one of those. So we're letting the car warm up right now. If the coil transfers over to cylinder 1, if that misfire transfers to cylinder 1, that means he needs a coil. If it doesn't transfer over, that means he needs a spark plug. But I am gonna recommend the customer some spark plugs and ignition coil. So let me get back to you guys on that. Let me go through for test drive. So coming to an end with this car, it does need front rear brakes. pads and rotors, sway bar links, both sides, driver side and passenger side for the front. With the ignition coil, we're gonna replace one ignition coil and one spark plug, just because I'm under there anyways. And then the car needed a valve cover gasket on both banks, bank one and bank two. So it's going over the alternator and everything, which I'll show you guys here. Other than that, the car is great. He keeps up with the oil changes. He does need tires. One right front tire. But other than that, this is our diagnosis for our car. And if you guys like the video, please leave a like and follow. We're gonna do front and rear brakes on this car very soon, and there'll be a video for the next one.